how to book hidden city flights with Hopper. Now, hidden city ticketing, also known as skip lagging, involves booking a flight with a layover in your desired destination and disembarking there. Rather than completing the entire itinerary, Hopper is a mobile app that can be used to search for a booking flight, including potential hidden city deals, though it doesn't explicitly offer a hidden city booking option onto their website. Now, if you want to book a destination, all you're gonna do is to type here onto where search the destination. Now, all you gotta do is to select a specific date and enter the guest informations, including the number of adults, children, and the traveling persons, and hit on search. And now from here, we can see the availabilities of different kind of places. To go on the one, click on see availability. And now from here, you can just simply reserve the specific place and provide your payment information in order for you to reserve the ticket. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.